Welcome to Provenant, where supply chain complexity meets innovative simplicity. We're a SaaS company on a mission to transform supply chains from chaotic to crystal clear. In a world where delays, blind spots, and inefficiencies cost businesses time and revenue, our platform delivers smart, scalable solutions designed for the real world. From order to delivery, Provenant gives you end-to-end visibility and control. Because in today's fast-moving market, agility isn't optional, it's everything. And with Provenant, you're not just keeping up, you're staying ahead. Imagine juggling a dozen tools just to manage a single order. Your customer emails a request, you respond, then call to confirm. Manually updating spreadsheets, chasing inventory teams, and coordinating logistics. Sound familiar? The result? Wasted time, missed deadlines, and endless busy work, all while your real priorities slip away. With Provenant, you can do it all in one platform. Managing multiple orders from different customers can be challenging. That's why we made it easy. From restructure and arrange the purchase orders, sales orders, to production order in one central platform. Processing the quotations and invoicing to shipping products, making it simple to track everything in one place. In this demo, we will show you how order fulfillment works using the production order feature. Suppose that you have received a purchase order from your customer and you want to proceed by manufacturing the product to fulfill the order. To see the incoming purchase order, go to the Purchase Order menu. Here in the Purchase Order overview, you will see all list of incoming and outgoing purchase orders from or to your customers. To view the incoming purchase order easily, use the Type filter and select Incoming. Now select the incoming purchase order and open the details by clicking it. In the purchase order details, you can confirm or decline the purchase order. For this case, we will confirm the purchase order and later create a production order out of it. To make an order fulfillment from purchase order, click Create button. Choose if you want to create a production order directly from a purchase order or using a free template. In this example, select order type from an incoming purchase order. Then you can select relations, articles, and order code. The date filter will help you to search the purchase order easily. After defining the type of the production order, you just need to plan the production order by inserting the planned production quantity and the planned date. The rest of the fields are auto-populated based on your product configurations in the master data. Select the Create button to submit the production order. Now, after you are ready with the production order planning, you can run the production order by selecting the Start Production Order and end it by selecting the Finish Production Order. At Provenant, we're not just building a platform, we're building your competitive advantage to meet your business needs. We are exploring the warehouse and inventory process by building a IMS feature, and we want to help you automate the task using AI in the near future.